Move over LT-1000, introducing the new LT-2000. This is the most incredible amplifier in the leak detection industry. Unlike the original full aluminum case, we did the rubber coated aluminum case for easy to grab and again, water resistant technology. We also have a carry strap so that you could wear it over your neck and you could be completely hands-free when using the product. We are replacing regular batteries with a rechargeable lithium battery. You could get multiple days out of the unit, multiple jobs going out of the unit with one full charge, which you could charge from your truck, you could charge from your office, you could charge from your shop. Another thing is with the battery life, we also put a 30-minute shutoff in there, saving that energy. One of the best things about this new amp of what we replaced is we replaced the analog meter with the full digital meter. The full digital meter is going to give you a great accurate look at what you're actually listening to, allowing you to hear one sound and visually see it yourself. When you buy this amp is good with any one of the accessories that you ever purchase. This is replacing our LT-1000, which was the heart of everything at LeakTronics. Now it's the LT-2000. Any accessory that you have from LeakTronics will work with the LT-2000. We offer a 5-year bulletproof warranty on this product. Again, you drop it off your truck, you drop it in a swimming pool, put it in a box, send it back to us, and we'll fix it on the house. Go to LeakTronics.com to check out all of our products. Give us a call for any support for anything that you might need.